You stand at the hotel desk, the receptionist smiles, and suddenly your easy English disappears.
Yes, 5 minutes ago you were fine. Then someone says, "Can I see your ID?" And your brain checks out before you do.
So today, we stay in one very real place, a hotel.
From arrival to checkout.
With simple English you can actually use.
I'm Mia,
I'm Max.
and this is Easy English with Max and Mia.
If this feels useful, you can subscribe for more simple English like this.
Okay, Max, let's arrive at the hotel.
Good. You walk in, you look around, and maybe your first thought is very simple.
Oh, this looks nice.
Exactly. Or this place is big.
Or, wow, this is much better than the photos.
That is always a beautiful surprise.
Rare, but beautiful.
You can also say, the lobby is clean. It feels quiet. It looks comfortable.
Comfortable is a good hotel word.
Very good. Easy and useful. You see the sofa, the lights, the front desk, and you think, okay, I can stay here.
Unless you see orange walls, purple carpet, and one strange painting of a sad fish.
Then you think, okay, I can survive here.
Still useful English.
Then you go to the front desk. The most common line is, "Hi, I have a reservation."
Short, clear, and very important.
Yes. Let's do it naturally. I'm the receptionist. You are the guest.
Okay. Hi, I have a reservation.
Sure. What's your name, please?
Mia Brown.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Perfect. I see your reservation here, 2 nights, 1 room.
Great, thank you.
And that already covers a lot. Reservation, name, ID.
Also, here you go. I hear that a lot.
Very natural. Better than saying only take.
Yes, take sounds like I am giving you a potato.
A very official hotel potato.
With a key card.
Now, sometimes the receptionist gives you more details. For example, your room is on the 5th floor.
Here is your key card. Breakfast is from 7 to 10. Checkout is at 11.
These are very common hotel lines. Let's put them together in a real check-in moment.
Good, I'm ready.
Welcome. Can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under Mia Brown.
Great. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. You're in room 512 on the 5th floor. Here is your key card.
Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
Okay,
And checkout is at 11.
perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Nice, very clear. Nothing fancy, but very real.
That's the point. Hotel English is not about beautiful sentences. It is about clear survival with good manners.
Good manners and a working shower.
Yes, the 2 pillars of travel.
Can I ask a question here?
Yes.
What if I don't understand something? Maybe the receptionist speaks fast.
Good. Then you can say, sorry, can you say that again? Or, sorry, can you speak more slowly?
Very useful. Also polite.
Always good. You can also check details. What time is breakfast? What time is checkout? Which floor is the room on?
Which floor is the room on is very practical.
Yes, because sometimes your brain hears 5th and understands 50.
Then you are in the parking lot looking for room 512.
Not ideal.
A little open air experience.
Now let's leave the desk and go to the elevator.
This part is simple but real. You have your bag, your key card, and maybe no energy left.
True. You may say, I'm tired. I just want a shower. I need to sit down for 10 minutes.
Or 1 hour, let's be honest.
Fair. So here is a small moment. You get into the elevator.
Okay.
Finally, I'm tired.
Same. I want a shower and a bed.
Very normal travel English.
Yes, nobody arrives at a hotel and says, I would like to discuss philosophy.
Not before the shower.
Exactly.
Now you find the room. Maybe you look at the door and say, this is our room.
Then the famous hotel moment. Will the key card work?
Yes. You try once.
Nothing.
You try again, like a more serious person.
Still nothing.
Then suddenly it works because the door enjoys drama.
Hotel doors love power.
You go in and react to the room. This is a nice place for easy opinions. The room is small. The room is bigger than I expected. The bed looks comfortable. The view is nice.
The room is clean is also good.
Very good. And room words are simple. Bed, shower, TV, window, view, towels.
Mirror, chair, air conditioning.
Yes. Let's do a room reaction together.
Okay.
We're in.
Oh, this room is nice.
Yes, and it's bigger than I expected.
The bed looks comfortable.
That is the first thing you always check.
Of course, I am not checking the art on the wall. I am checking where I will sleep.
Good priorities. Also, look at the view.
Oh, wow, we can see the city.
Nice, and the bathroom looks clean.
Good. I really need a shower.
There's also a TV.
That is nice, but sleep is still winning.
Always.
This part feels very real because people really say these things.
Exactly. Not today we will describe hotel equipment.
Thank you for not saying that.
You're welcome. Now, after you arrive, there is often a small decision.
Rest now or go out now.
Yes, very common. You can say, do you want to rest first? Should we get dinner? Do you want to stay in the room?
I need 10 minutes. That one is for me.
Only 10?
Fine, 20. I like realistic English.
Let's do it.
I'm really tired.
Me too.
I want to take a shower and lie down for a little while.
Same. Do you want to rest first and have dinner later?
Yes, that sounds good.
Great. Let's rest for 30 minutes and then go downstairs.
Good plan. Also, please do not fall asleep.
I make no promises.
That means yes, he will sleep.
Maybe a small sleep.
There is no small sleep after travel.
True. It becomes a full life event.
Now we are in the room, resting a little. This is where simple feelings matter.
Yes, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I feel better now. The shower was great.
I feel human again.
Very real.
After travel, that is advanced happiness.
Let's continue.
That shower was great.
Same. I feel much better now.
Me too. I was half asleep 5 minutes ago.
And now?
Now I am ready for dinner.
Good. Let's go before you order room service for your pillow.
Tempting, honestly.
Now we move to the restaurant. Another very useful hotel scene.
You walk in and maybe say, "Hi, do you have a table for two?"
Perfect. Or if it is inside the hotel and quiet, maybe just, can we sit here?
Then comes food and drink.
Yes. Can I have the chicken, please? I'd like a salad. Can I get some water? Still or sparkling?
Still, please. I do not need exciting water at this hour.
Good line. Beginner friendly and true.
Let's do the full restaurant moment.
Good evening.
Hi, do you have a table for two?
Yes, of course. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, can I have some water, please?
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
And for you?
I'll have tea.
Of course you will.
I am very consistent.
That is true. Then we order food?
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken with rice, please.
Great choice. And for you, sir?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Very normal, very useful.
And very calm. I like that. No big speech, just order and survive.
That is a strong travel goal.
Now we can talk during the meal.
Yes, because hotel restaurant English is not only ordering, it is also simple opinions and easy conversation.
Like, this is good. It's a little salty. I like the atmosphere.
Good. Also, the restaurant is quiet, the food is fresh, the service is slow. Hopefully not that last one.
Unless it is true.
True. Let's have the meal conversation.
This looks good.
Yes, and it smells great.
I'm happy we came down for dinner.
Me too. The room was comfortable, but food is important.
Very wise.
How's your chicken?
It's good. Very simple, but good.
My pasta is nice too.
I like the atmosphere here, it's quiet.
Yes, not too noisy, not too bright.
Good hotel restaurants are calm. Bad hotel restaurants feel like breakfast at an airport.
That is a painful truth.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Almost. What do you want to do in the morning?
First, breakfast.
Strong answer.
Then maybe walk around the city.
Good. We can visit the old town and maybe go to the museum.
Good plan, but first I need coffee.
And I need breakfast before your tea speech begins.
My tea speech is short and powerful.
Like tea itself.
Now we are back in the room at night.
Yes, another real-life scene. You are slower, quieter, and ready to sleep.
This is where people say easy things like, I'm going to bed. I want one more tea. Can you turn off the TV?
What time should we wake up is useful too.
Yes, especially if breakfast ends at 10.
Tragic things happen after 10.
Only empty plates and regret.
Let's do the night routine.
I'm tired again.
Same. Travel is strange. You do nothing, but you are exhausted.
Exactly. I want a cup of tea and then sleep.
Of course. Tea at night. Very Mia.
Yes, it is part of the system.
I'm going to take a quick shower and then go to bed.
What time should we wake up tomorrow?
Maybe 7:30?
Good. I want enough time for breakfast.
That sounds very serious.
Breakfast is serious.
True. Did you enjoy today?
Yes, the hotel is nice, the room is comfortable, and dinner was good.
Same. Good first day.
Let's sleep before we start speaking to the lamp.
A wise choice.
Morning.
Morning! Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. The bed was comfortable.
Same. I did not hear any noise.
Good. I hate noisy hotel rooms.
Me too. Ready for breakfast?
Always.
Now we go to the breakfast buffet.
A very important place.
Yes, and full of useful words. Bread, eggs, fruit, coffee, tea, juice.
Yogurt, cheese.
Also plate, cup, glass, spoon.
Right. Keep it simple. At breakfast, you often talk about preferences. I want some eggs. I'd like coffee. Do you want juice? I don't eat much in the morning.
Or the opposite. I'm very hungry.
Also common. Let's walk through the buffet.
Okay. Wow, this breakfast buffet is big.
Yes, there's bread, eggs, fruit, yogurt, and cheese.
I'm getting eggs and toast.
I'll have fruit, yogurt, and tea.
Tea again. Incredible.
Growth is impossible without routine.
I'm also getting coffee.
Good, you need it.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, and look, they have pancakes.
Dangerous information.
Very dangerous. I was trying to be healthy.
The hotel had other plans.
How's your breakfast?
Good. Simple and good.
Same. I like hotel breakfasts when they are quiet.
Yes, quiet breakfast, good coffee, no stress.
That is travel peace.
And during breakfast, you can plan the day. What do you want to do first? Should we walk or take a taxi? Do you want to visit the museum today?
Very useful travel English.
Let's do that part too.
Okay, what do you want to do first today?
Maybe we can walk around the old town.
Good idea. And after that, maybe the museum?
Yes, or we can stop for coffee first.
I support that plan.
I knew you would.
Then maybe lunch somewhere near the square?
Perfect. Easy plan, easy English.
Now the stay is ending,
Yes, time for checkout.
which is never emotionally easy.
True, but the English is simple. We are checking out. Can I have the bill, please? Can we leave our luggage here? Everything was great.
Can you call a taxi? Can also help.
Yes, good addition. Let's do the front desk scene again.
Hi, we're checking out.
Of course, what's your room number?
Room 512.
Thank you. Just a moment, please. Here is your bill.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great.
How was your stay?
Very good, thank you. The room was clean and the staff was very nice.
Glad to hear that.
Also, can we leave our luggage here for a few hours?
Yes, no problem.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That is such a useful scene.
Yes, because many people need that exact English. Bill, card, luggage, feedback.
I also like the staff was very nice, easy and polite.
Very good line. You can also say, we enjoyed our stay, or everything was great.
And if something was not great,
Then keep it simple and polite. The room was a little noisy. The shower was not very hot. There was a problem with the TV.
good, clear, not dramatic.
Exactly. Now, after checkout, you often still have time in the city.
Yes, bags are gone, hotel is finished, and now what?
So you ask, what should we do next? Do you want to visit one more place? Should we get lunch? Do we have time for a walk?
That is the nice part. You are free, but a little homeless.
Temporarily travel homeless.
With good memories and no room key.
Let's finish there.
Okay, our luggage is at the hotel. What should we do next?
We still have a few hours. Do you want to visit the river first?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Then maybe lunch before we leave?
Perfect. And maybe coffee for you, tea for me.
Some things never change.
Good. This trip was easy.
Yes, good hotel, good food, good sleep.
And useful English from start to finish.
That's the goal. Small phrases, real situations.
So now it's your turn. What do you usually say at a hotel?
Write one simple hotel phrase in the comments.
Or write what you want first in a hotel room: sleep, shower, tea, or food.
And if this helped, you can like the video or subscribe.
See you in the next one.
Take care.